Welcome to our channel. While transferring a music library from Etsy to a state unemployment portal seems unusual, you may need to submit media files as part of an unemployment claim or documentation. Step 1. Log in to your Etsy account and navigate to any digital files you've purchased or created. Step 2. Download the music files from Etsy to your computer by clicking on the download link in your Purchases or Digital Products section. Step 3. Organize the downloaded music files in a dedicated folder on your computer. Step 4. Access your state unemployment portal by visiting the official website and logging in with your credentials. Step 5. Navigate to the section where you can upload documents or supporting files for your unemployment claim. Step 6. Check the file format and size requirements for uploads, as most portals have restrictions. Step 7. Use the Upload button to select your music files from the folder where you saved them, ensuring they meet the portal's requirements. Step 8. Complete the upload process and verify that the files were successfully submitted with your unemployment documentation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.